Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. One that's a normally say shall never end. See, a lot of people has been asking me that, oh, Progress the analyst, we don't believe that this self-referendum is really happening in southeastern part of Nigeria. I say, sure, I have seen a lot of videos, a lot of pictures, a lot of things has been happening. I told them, I say, this thing is really happening live. They say still they don't believe. But I am also here again now to show you another evidence. This thing of a truth is happening and a lot of people are still doubting it. Please listen carefully to this information that you are about to hear. Watch this video carefully and make sure you share it so that you will know that of a truth it is happening. Still, that thing Thomas are saying is not true, is not real. How can this be Photoshop? Please listen to the video very well and watch it to the end and share it. And I'll be right back.
Yes, we are here today to make sure Biafra exit Nigeria. You can see our voters card ready for Biafrans to pick and cast Nigeria out from Biafra. We are here today to make sure Biafra come. You can see the Inec officials here ready to record all the voters cast here. You can see our ballot booth where we can put all the voters cast there. You can see Biafrans here with their voters card. You can see them with their voters card ready to vote. You can see them, they are ready. You can see them in mass. You can see them in mass. We are ready to exit Nigeria. Nigeria is not a nation for us to be. They are killing us in mass. They don't want Biafra to live. We are going to exit Nigeria in 2nd December. The 2nd December is sacrosanct. The 2nd December is sacrosanct. Oh my God, what a marvelous crowd is this. Biafrans are ready. They are ready, ever ready to exit Nigeria. Oh God, see them in mass. It's marvelous. Biafrans are ready to go. Thank God for Biafrans. Yes, you can see Biafrans are ready. They are eager to go. They are eager to go out from Nigeria. Yes, the reason we are going to go out from Nigeria is that Nigeria are killing us in mass. They don't want us to live as a nation. They don't want us to live as a nation. They don't want us to live as a nation. And that is why we want to exit Nigeria. There is nothing in our land. They don't want international airport in our land. They don't build good road in our land. We don't have good hospital. We don't have anything national thing in our land. No international airport. No international seaport. We are living in dark. And that is why we want to go out from Nigeria. You can see them in mass. Biafran, what do you want to do? You want to cast your vote?
Yes.
Why did you want to cast your vote? You don't want Nigeria?
Yes.
Why you don't want Nigeria?
We are suffering in Nigeria.
You can see them. They are saying it by themselves.
No water,
No hospital.
no water, no hospital.
Okay, sir.
You can pay no school fees.
No hospital. No good road.
No good road.
Yes. You can see them. They are saying it by
There's
themselves.
no NEPA lights, but we will pay the bill.
Yes.
We want our new nation.
And a high bill.
They're kidnapping our boys.
Okay. What do you want to tell us today? I want to tell the Biafrans that we are here to cast our vote to exit Nigeria. Nigeria is a terrorist. Nigeria is a raping. Nigeria is robbing people on the way. Nigeria is murder. Our women are not going to farm again. Our men are not going to farm again. Our youth are not going to farm again because of the Fulani herdsmen, because of the terrorist zoo government. They are killing our mothers in the farm. They are killing our fathers in the farm.
They are killing our child in the farm. We are hunger today because we don't have opportunity to go to farm because of the terrorist zoo Nigeria, and we are casting our vote here to exit Nigeria in the way that our people will live like human beings. We don't want to live like animals.
Thank you, sir. You have said it all. Like you can see another person to say what he have for us today. Okay, tell us what you have to say today.
Well, we know the life, everybody have the right to live a good life. And we know that this part of the world is well blessed and they doubt mineral resources and everything, but we are denied of it. We don't even enjoy what God has bestowed for us here. We are under punishment, slavery in our own land, in our own mineral resources. We are slaved, serving our Fulani masters. For this reason, we have to live and be on our own. Let Nigeria go, leave us, so that we can live our life the way God created us, because we are Biafrans and must live as Biafrans. We have our own culture and tradition. So come December 2nd, we must leave Nigeria and let Nigeria go, because our people are dying anyhow, killing, kidnapping. There's no rest. Since the ages, I can say since 1960, I can have the knowledge of the country. Biafra land have been in perpetual suffering. The war continues. That's why our people are dying anyhow. They're killing us, they're butchering us. Go to farm, no way. Do what we want to help ourselves, no way. And we know that we Biafrans are endowed with God's blessing. They don't want us to use that knowledge and blessing that God gave to us to do our things the way God wanted us to do. Father, I believe that they have to go and leave us alone.
Thank you. Oga, can you say something for today's vote?
Yeah, as you can see, Biafrans are here to exercise their civil rights. Why? Because they are tired of Nigeria. They are being killed. They are being marginalized. They are receiving unfair treatment and discriminations. In fact, it doesn't show that we are one Nigeria, because what we are, how we are being treated, that is why we are here to cast our vote and to make sure that we reach that number of votes that is being demanded by the UN. We want to leave this Nigeria. We are tired of Nigeria because we are being marginalized. We are being killed. We don't want to be a Nigerian anymore. That is why we are here for this voting.
Thank you. Yeah, you can see everyone are ready to go to exit Nigeria. That is why you see this crowd. And that is how it is in every unit of this vote. We have many units in this land, in Ebony State. We have many units in Ebony State. This is one of the units here. They are ready in Ebony State. You can see them with their voters card filled. You can see them. You can see them. They are here, ready. We are in Ebony State doing the needful to make sure Biafra comes. We are in Ebony State.
Fulani, our mothers, our daughters.
You can see, you can hear them. They are saying it. That is what they are doing.
This country.
That is what they are doing. They are killing us. Nothing. They don't want to build airports in our land. They want to be seaport in our land. Everything will be imported from their own. They were paying high tax. Why is it that? We don't want it. We want Biafra to come. Thank you.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.